Hey, this is Kevin Keller, one of the co-founders of Fulton Roark. I'm here with my beautiful and brilliant wife, Anna, and Carly from our good friends, Emerson and Joseph. You guys are currently on hiatus thanks to COVID-19, but doing something kind of cool, I think. Basically walking people through cutting their own hair, hopefully with the help of a significant other or quarantine buddy.
So yeah, what I feel like would be great to start with is we'll just try to figure out what you have at home or what people would have at home. So we'll start there. My suggested stuff would be some sort of clipper with guard, some shears, a comb, some towels would be handy. Anything like a water bottle or edgers, those are some things, but we can make do with whatever you have.
Cool.
Okay, we've got everything you mentioned, so far so good.
I would dampen his hair a little bit. That way we can at least get the top separated from the sides. Because typically when you're using like a clipper with a guard, you don't want the sides super wet. A little damp's okay, but the moisture of the water will help to separate the hair. So we kind of call it a horseshoe. I think that's a general term, just gives you a visual. So what I would do is just comb it. What helps me is to comb it kind of all forward first.
Okay.
And then push up, and just what you're basically doing is getting the top away from the sides. So that'll just help. So what I like to do is start on the right and then work around, because it gives you a good guideline, and then you can just have a guide to follow as you go. So I would basically just start on that front section, and then we'll just work our way around.
Kevin.
Right.
If you were holding your comb, you don't want to round in too much, because then we'll just end up taking it shorter.
Right.
The comb was just straight right here, and really we're just going to try to remove a little bit of the weight. So if you hold it here and then work that across, it should help.
Okay, so we've had a chance for me to shower and put some product in my hair. I think you did a pretty good job.
I did an okay job, thanks to Carly. I don't think the outcome would have been this good. Yeah,
And,
we're all cleaned up.
Yeah, this is not the worst haircut I've had in recent years.
That said, I don't know that I have a future in cutting men's hair. So
Sure.
I would advise you to continue going to see your barber and check out the folks at Emerson Joseph if you're in Charlotte, because they do an amazing job, and as it turns out, are great at walking you through the process in an emergency situation like this one.
Yeah, and once we go back to normal, remember this and tip your stylist or barber accordingly.
Thanks, Carly.